Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix connection failed. Networking is offline, reason, HUENEME, CONCORD, on modern Warzone 2, Warfare 2. The first thing that you should do now is check the server status of the game. To do that, visit the website support.activision.com. After that, select Online Services. Select Call of Duty, Warzone 2.0 or Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2. If the game's status is offline or any outages, then the only thing you can do is wait until Activision has fixed the problem. Also, visit the official Call of Duty Twitter page, then see if there are any announcements about server issues or maintenance periods. At last, visit the Down Detector page and see if other players are having the same problem as you. Method 2. Restart your device. For Windows PC, press the key combination Alt F4, then select Restart and click on OK. For Xbox, PlayStation and router, turn off them, then unplug power cable. Wait from 3 to 5 minutes. Replug power cable, then turn on Xbox, PlayStation and router. After restart is complete, relaunching the game and see if problem is fixed. Method 3. Disable IPv6 and using Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. On Windows PC, press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Uncheck on Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6. After that, double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option, then type 8888 and 8844. Now, tick on Validate Settings upon exit. Click OK. Click OK. On PS5, go to your PS5 home screen. Go to Settings. Select Network. Select Settings. Select Set up Internet Connection. Go to the bottom option and select Set up manually. Select Use Wi-Fi or use a LAN cable depending on your preference. Select DNS. Change the primary DNS to 8888. Change the secondary DNS to 8844. Select Done. On Xbox, fire up your Xbox One console and press the Xbox button on your control and go to System, then select Settings on the menu. On the following screen, head to Network, select Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings. Select DNS Settings. Select Manual. Then with the on-screen keyboard, type in the primary and secondary DNS server you want to use. For example, Cloudflare DNS is 1111 and 1001 or 8888 and 8844 for Google Public DNS. When you're finished, you'll be brought back to the Advanced Network screen, where you will see your new DNS servers have been saved. Method 4. Turning off the COS tagging settings, only Xbox user. Go to Settings. Select Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings. Select COS tagging settings. Turn both off and restart. Method 5. Flush DNS, only Windows PC. Press Windows key, then type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and pick Run as Administrator. Now, type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, register DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, release and press Enter. Type ipconfig, renew and press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press enter. Type netsh int ip reset and press enter. Final, restart your PC and check if the connection failed issue is resolved. Method 6. Try with VPN or another network such as neighbor's Wi-Fi, mobile data or public network. That's it guys. If you have any other methods please leave a comment below the video. Thanks.